Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can add objects to a block without using the block editor. Let's examine the function for adding objects to a block in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the block menu appears. Then click on Add Object to Block. First, select the block, and then select the object to add. Once the object selection is complete, press Enter. Upon selecting the object, you can see that the chosen object has been added to the existing block. This is a useful feature for users who work extensively with blocks. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to add objects to a block. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.